tell you a story, a Valentine story. And while you listen, you'll naturally learn English expressions about love, relationships, and emotions. This is a slow story, so don't rush. Just listen, relax, and notice how the language flows. It's February 14th, Valentine's Day, but not the loud, colorful kind you see in movies. This Valentine's Day is quiet, cold, thoughtful. Emma is standing inside a small cafe. Snow is falling outside. The windows are foggy. People around her are holding flowers and gift bags. Emma isn't holding anything. No roses, no chocolate. Valentine's Day, for her, has always left a bad taste in her mouth. When something leaves a bad taste in your mouth, it means a past experience was unpleasant, and it still affects how you feel today. Years ago, Emma believed in love. She believed in romance. She believed in timing. Back then, she met someone who felt like a match made in heaven. A match made in heaven means two people who seem perfect for each other. They understand each other naturally. His name was Daniel. They met in college. They talked for hours. They laughed easily. They were completely on the same wavelength. When people are on the same wavelength, they think alike and connect effortlessly. But here's the problem. Neither Emma nor Daniel ever said how they truly felt. They avoided the truth. They joked. They changed the subject. They were beating around the bush. To beat around the bush means to avoid saying something directly, usually because it feels uncomfortable. Emma started to wonder if Daniel was serious about her. She thought maybe he was just being friendly. She even wondered if he was stringing her along. To string someone along means to give them hope without any real intention of commitment. The truth was simple. Daniel loved her deeply. He had it bad for her. To have it bad for someone means to feel a strong emotional or romantic attraction. But fear got in the way. Fear of rejection. Fear of ruining the friendship. And slowly, without a fight or a goodbye, they began to drift apart. To drift apart means to slowly lose emotional closeness over time. After college, life moved forward. New jobs, new cities, new people. Emma dated others, but every relationship felt like it was missing something. Daniel had unknowingly set the bar too high. When someone sets the bar too high, they create expectations that are hard to match. Emma told herself love had run its course. That means something has naturally come to an end. Back in the cafe, Emma hears a familiar voice. Emma? She turns around. It's Daniel. Older, calmer, but still unmistakably him. Her heart skips. She realizes she never truly got over him. To get over someone means to emotionally recover after a relationship. They sit together. At first, the conversation is polite, safe. But underneath the small talk, something deeper is happening. Old feelings are resurfacing. Daniel finally speaks honestly. He tells her he loved her back then. Emma feels relief and regret. Fear had gotten in the way of everything. To get in the way means to prevent something from happening. They don't talk about the past with anger. They talk with understanding. They realize they can finally see eye to eye. To see eye to eye means to agree and understand each other. Daniel suggests they meet again. No promises, just honesty. Emma hesitates, but love sometimes requires you to take a leap of faith. That means taking a risk without knowing the outcome. Love isn't always dramatic. It's not always fireworks. Sometimes love is calm, steady, quietly strong. Real love means choosing to weather the storm together. To weather the storm means to survive difficult times. As they leave the cafe, Emma doesn't feel excited, she feels peaceful. Because whatever happens next, it will be honest. Maybe this time, love will be the real deal. The real deal means something genuine and true. So this Valentine's Day, remember this. Love doesn't follow a schedule. It doesn't always arrive on time. But sometimes it comes back when you're finally ready to listen. Take a moment now. Think about the idioms you heard. Try to use one today. Thanks for listening. See you next time.